Great.
When I saw your faces a while ago, I thought I was meeting my peers. But apparently, I was actually meeting my friends and my students. And many of you, when I was about to leave Isla, lined up in a particular corner of the school and sang to Sir Whitla. The movie to Sir Whitla, I still remember the song was sung by Lulu, and the actor was Sidney Poitier. It was about schools of naughty children in East London in those days. I saw how the teacher managed to control and ultimately change the student in the class into successful. I have been involved in the initiation and the establishment of private schools in the country, from the lowest to the highest. My last venture now is my own international school. Nobody would have believed that an international school could be set up in the midst of paddy fields and durian trees. That's why it is my house. It is built in the compound of my house, not very far from Kubangkrian, a place called Padabongo, but no longer, the place is no longer called Padabongo. It is better known as Wadi Sofia, because I have branded the entire place Wadi Sofia. If you were to Google Wadi Sofia, you will be able to see where this particular school is situated. I have 17